Step number 1. Type in the amount of dollars you want to receive from this secret platform. Step 2. Type in your email address which you connected to your PayPal account. Step number 3. Wait 2 minutes until you get a notification from your PayPal the account that you receive $500. As you can see here, you can type in any amount of money you want to receive via PayPal. You only have to click on this button and type in your PayPal address to receive the money instantly. You can earn up to $1,000 with this secret website, but make sure to watch the whole video because, if you skip anything, this strategy will not work for you. If you're fast enough, you can earn up to $1,000 per day, and the best thing is you can do all this over and over again. And make sure to watch until the end, because I will reveal the name of the website. As a first step, I want you to come over to this secret website and create a new account. For this you only need your email address and a simple password, and once you did this you are instantly signed up and you can start earning money right away. Step 2 is we go to this site and type in the amount of money we want to receive. You can decide how much you want as a payment option. You can choose between Amazon gift cards but also PayPal. As you can see here, can choose a PayPal gift card worth $500 and it's free, but there is a limit of gift claims per 24 hours. That means you can only receive 3 times the $500 PayPal gift card, but that's more than enough. Let's quickly imagine how you would feel if you could earn hundreds of dollars like this every single day. And if you are using the simple strategy, you can make around $1,500 every day. Now you want to know the name of the website, but before I show you the site, I want you to pause this video and type in your country in the comments so I can make more and more videos about making money in your country. Let's go. But now I will show you the name of this secret website. Finally, the name is Prize Rebel, and you just have to type it into google.com and click on the first link. Now you just have to follow the steps I mentioned before, and if you do everything step by step, you will be able to earn your first $500 today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Dave Heroic and activate the bell if you want to see daily hacks on how you can make money every single day online by only using your phone. Thanks for watching.